part of Chapter 1, Scope and Limitation System. The study is all about the library system for AMA Cavite Campus. The proposed system will do the following. First, the system can create new entries for new books and records for new transactions. Second, the system has searching capabilities provided the options such as book title, name of the author, book number, book category, and the subjects. Third, the system will have the capability to count and specify the books that are available inside the library and the book's length. The library also detects deadlines for the book's length to borrowers. Fourth, the system can provide students a complete list of book titles that are categorized accordingly. Fifth, the system can print records, reports, and information needed by the librarian. Sixth, the system has a database that will store student information when the students or other borrowed books, and as well as to store the records of the book titles. The system will be developed using Microsoft Visual Studio 2012 for the system's interface and designs. Oracle and MySQL will be used for the database purposes. The system has three types of level access. First is the administrator or the librarian account. Second is the assistant librarian account. And the last one is for the guest account for borrowers. Now let us proceed to our network diagram. The proposed system's network diagram has one switch, one printer, three client computers, one server computer that has database functionality which can only be accessed by the librarian and the owner. The server computer, which is our physical component, is created mainly for the housing system server, which will be administered by the librarian. Switch will be used for connecting the clients to the server. One client computer is for the assistant librarian or the teacher in charge. The last two client computers are designed for the students or guests. The network diagram is a network printer that can only be accessed by the librarian and the assistant librarian for printing records of different transactions that took place from the past. It could either be weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The proponents have agreed to come up with this network design because the indicated devices are all already available inside the said campus. Star topology will be used as a network topology.